So in today's video we will discuss the 5 books what I love most to read. So let's start with my first book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is an awesome book. Okay, there are some techniques which helps to grow your business, and it also helps to build a positive mindset. Okay, so I love this book very much. So that tops my priority: Reach That and Poor That. Okay, so the second book I love the most is, it really helps to just fight with your anxiety. Okay, this book. So How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. This is also a great book, and I also love this book very much. So the third book is, this is one of the best book I have in my life, The Habit of Winning. This is a great book. Yeah, so you also must read this book once. Okay, I already read these 5 books. Okay, so that's why I am recording this video. The Habit of Winning. This is an awesome book, and there is some tricks and techniques which helps you to just grow in your each steps of your career. Okay, and one of the best book that all the successful people must have is Atomic Habits. Okay, this is a very famous book by James Clear. Okay, so it's a very famous book, and it tells that in life, habit is the most precious thing, which either it will make you or it will break you. Just tiny changes in your habits make your future or destroy your future. This book tells this. Okay, so there is some strategies which makes your habit great, and it will also make you great. Okay, so just read this book. It's awesome. So for financial freedom, you must need to know some tricks and tricks. Okay, so for that is the book, The Psychology of Money. Read this book and you will know everything about stock market, finance, and all the stuff, how to build money. Okay, and how to sustain money. That's the book. Read it once. Okay, so what are the books I suggested to start reading? Try these books. After you completed this book, you can go for autobiographies of great pupils. Great pupils like Swami Vivekananda, Elon Musk. There is such great pupils. You can follow their autobiographies. So actually autobiographies can help us to know what successful people did failures in their career and how they manage them to overcome their failure situations. So we can read that, and we also can implement that in our life. Okay, so read these books: Rich Dad Poor Dad, Atomic Habits, The Habit of Winning, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living, The Psychology of Money. Start with this 5 book. It will take time. It nearly takes 3 months to finish. If you are a beginner in reading, it will take 3 to 4 months. Okay, so after that you will get habited. Okay, so hope you guys like it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you guys.